Jai student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ question in the collection of primary and secondary data. The first question, first hand information data are called A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Both, D. None. The answer is A. Primary data. Next, selections of few items representative of all items of the universe is options A. Populations, B. Sample, C. Survey, D. None. The option B is the right answer, that is sample. Now third question, to conduct the survey of illiterate respond and the best method for collections of data will be A. Questionnaire method, B. Indirect interview, C. Personal interview, D. Observation method. The option C is the right answer, that is personal interview. Now question number 4, which of the following are important sources of secondary data? Options are A. Census of India, B. NSSO, C. Both, D. None of these. The option C is the right answer, Census of India and NSO. Now next question, secondary source of data. A. Data obtained for survey for purpose, B. Data obtained by the personal investigation, C. Production record for firm, D. All of these. The answer is option C. Production record of a firm. Now next question, data collected by the investigator himself is called option A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Both primary and secondary data, D. None of the above. The options are option A, that is primary data. Now question number 7th, the diagnosis center collected the blood of the patient to tested by options are A. Census method, B. Sample method, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is by sample method. Now question 8th, what is the data are collected by the student from the government journal to prepare a project report is A. Options are A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Census data, D. None of the above. The options are B. Secondary data. Now question number 9th, the information of population of India is collected by the government agency for every 10 years through options are A. Census method, B. Sample survey, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The option A is the right answer, that is census. Now question number 10, when the population under investigation is infinity and we should use options are A. Census method, B. Sample method, C. Both method, D. None of the above. The answer is option B, that is sample method. Now next question, exit poll that show the chance of winning of number of seats by different parties in 2014 Lok Sabha election shown on TV by some channel or for the viewer is options are A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Continuous data, D. Discrete data. The options are B, that is secondary data. Next question, quickest method to collect primary data is options are A. Direct personal interview, B. Indirect personal interview, C. Telephone interview, D. Mail questionnaire method. The options are C. Telephone interview. Now question number 13, good questionnaire should be A. Simple and clear, carrying minimum questions, C. Avoiding personal questions, D. All of the above. The options are D. All of the above. And question number 14, in random sampling options are sample is biased, very expensive, C. Each item has equal chance of being selected, D. Sample are not representative. The options are each item are equal chance of being selected. Next, direct person interview, A. Expensive, B. Based, C. Time consuming, D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Next question, drawing a lottery uses random sampling, purposive sampling, quota sampling and clustered sampling. The option is random sampling.